Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. I don't know, a little bit over a year, but I am back to filming. Well, vlogging. But anywho, right now I am in New York. I'm being passenger princess. Right now I'm in Manhattan. We're going to the Crab House, and I was like, I want you guys to come with because this is a great recommendation for you guys to go and get some unlimited seafood. I went here for my birthday exactly a week ago, and this is how good it is. So I'm back here again. For the Crab House, I think there's two places, one in Manhattan, I think the other one is in Brooklyn if I'm not mistaken. It's $80 per person, and this is like without the lobster. With lobster, it's $115, and $80 is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. If you look what's on the menu, they have every little thing. The snow crab, I don't know, it's a lot, but I will film it once I'm out there, and you can just get unlimited amount until your heart desires. Hey you guys, my homegirl T was like, oh, do you want to go for a hike? And I was like, yeah. She doesn't know, but I'm in like a May step challenge, so I have to take all these steps in because I'm trying to win some cash, and obviously just to get a little bit more fit because everything doesn't change for me. So like I have time to work out now, so which is like a plus. Wait, she's calling out quick. Don't fall.
Amir, what if I do though?
I think that's sort of steep.
Yeah, it's a little steep, girl. Let's do another tree.
This is nice.
3 hours later.
So we're lost in the middle of the woods in Hamden. SOS and help.
So originally the man said
we're supposed to, well, we want to do the purple trail, but he said that this is going to be too hard for us. So we followed the blue trail to meet up with the purple eventually. Yeah. And at this point,
we never saw a damn purple trail. I feel like, no, I'm not even gonna say it. I'll put it in the title screen.
Stop. No.
It's a real fucking mistake.
Yeah.
I'm fucked up.
We're fucked up. We're fucked up.
Mother Nature's kicking my
Yeah, it is.
I got boogers. Still on the blue trail. That man lied. I'm not sure if we're at the end of the trail, but we do see a street right there. That shit took us to the main street as a trail. So change of plans.
We're going home.
We're gonna ride home. Like, yeah, we were out in the main street, but we're like nowhere near our cars. This will end our trail. Our ride came.
That's who I got in the car with me right now.
Guess what?
Who I got in the car with me right now? And Teonni, because they got lost in their hike. How the hell they end up? They end up like 55 minutes away from Sleeping Giant.
Okay, so I didn't start off the vlog off right. Yeah, it didn't go as planned, but we did like a little cuts and turns, so it did turn out fun. But anyway, we're done, and right now we're about to get some Ashley's, and then we're about to go over our friend's house for Mother's Day for some dinner and whatnot, and then I'm gonna chill with my mom the rest of the day. Feels good.
So we're on a hike. We'll walk, hike.
Oh,
Beach day thing.
Something like that. So for the clips that you saw earlier, we took like a little shortcut and we just got our feet wet.
And honestly, that's one of the best beaches that are in Connecticut that we've been to, at least.
And we didn't even like see all of it, so just that little portion right there, it was nice enough. But right now we're walking because we're about to get some food.
And what's in the restaurant?
If I don't tell you now, I'll probably tell you in the next video because I forgot.
Yes, we'll be back on that.
We don't cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, it's out, I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that get both, like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo, I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow,
So, how was the food on a scale from 1 to 10?
I feel like Keithley a little bit. I had the Chardonnay. Obviously that's a 10 out of 10 because I love Chardonnay. The soup, 5 out of 10. It was good. It didn't taste as much clammy. I think it tastes a little more creamier. This pasta though?
This pasta.
8 out of 10. And I'm surprised I couldn't finish it all. If you could taste this shit. This shit good.
It's fucking good.